Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel, to me I pray light. Today I will be making Long Boy Candy, the coconut caramel bundt cake. Yes y'all, you heard correctly. What inspired me was the Long Boy. It's a flashback Friday or either throwback Thursday candy. If you know about the Long Boys, you know. Make a version with a cake. So yeah, I'm going to be using 2 boxes of cake mix. It's not going to be from scratch. If you've seen my channel before, you already knew this. But if you didn't know this, now you know. Yes, but I'm going to be using 2 boxes because I like my pound cakes to be like it's homemade. With 1 box, it's too petite for me. I think on the back of the box it said like 3 eggs per box. I have a stick of butter that I browned. So I'm going to be using that as well. For my caramel sauce, I'm going to be using the dulce leche as well as the caramel sauce at the bottom down here. Also too, I'm going to be using some coconut milk. Coming back again with that coconut, I got some coconut oil, and I like to use this mainly for like my skin. This is a different one. You feel me? So make sure you get a different one. I got some salt to balance it off. I got a little bit of flour. Now the reason I got a little bit of flour because you know in the pan you need to grease it really good with some butter and flour. I don't have that baking short today, so I'm gonna try to grease it really good with some coconut oil and flour, the old school way. If you use butter and flour, that's good. My coconut flakes I have back here. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Okay, I have the 2 boxes of cake mix inside of here. So now I'm gonna use like half a cup of the coconut flakes and just put that in there as well. I'm gonna take this and throw evenly a little bit. Alright, I have my eggs. Take all this brown butter stick and pour that in there. Okay, now you need 1/2 of cup of the oil on each box. I told you I'm going to be using the coconut oil, so it's actually 1 cup because like I said, I'm using 2 boxes. Okay, now with the water it says use 1 cup, so I'm just going to replace the water with the coconut milk and use 1 cup. This half a cup and this another half, so 1 cup. I'm just going to take the whisk and incorporate all of it. I attempted to grease this really good, y'all. I'm praying to God that this come out right and easily, because that's why I like to use that baking straw, because I don't have no issues. So I'm praying to God. I know a lot of people too, when they want something to happen, they're like, fingers crossed. That's superstition. That's not putting your faith in God. So I'm praying to God He do his thing with this. Alright, so I'm going to take my batter and just distribute it evenly. I'm going to put half of it, not all. And I'm going to show you the reason why. I opened up this caramel sauce and I'm going to pour it around as well. And I know some of y'all like, this is going to be too sweet. That's why I got the salt to put it on there. So it's like going to be like salted caramel. Now I'm going to sprinkle some of this salt in here. You don't want it too salty. Now I'm going to take the rest of my batter and just try to pour it on evenly. Okay, I spread that in as evenly as I could. The coconut flakes, and I'm just gonna like dab it a little bit. Alright, so I have the oven on 350 and I'll let you know how long it cooks.
A few moments.
After about 1 hour and 20 minutes, that's how it look. Yes, y'all. I stuck a fork in the middle to make sure it come out clean, and it did come out clean. So I'm gonna let this rest in this pan for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna try to flip it. I'm praying to God, like I said, that it come out clean. And I should mix it up, Lord's will. Alright, I'm gonna try to spread it a little evenly. I'm gonna toast it. Okay, this is after about a minute and a half. I have it on 400. I toasted a little bit. So I'm gonna take it and try to mix it around so the other part can get toasted as well. You want to keep an eye on this because, like I said, it's on 400 and you don't want it to burn up. Just want to get toasted, not burnt. Yeah. Alright, put this back in. I'm going to check on this after about 30 seconds to a minute. See how like majority of the, yeah, I'm just going to take this and mix it up one more time. Okay, this is about after 2 minutes with the stove turned off. You see how much? So I'm putting take this out and put this to the side. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes. Now I'm going to take the cake and flip it into this wire rack. Lord, Jesus' name. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. Okay. Oh, it don't look bad, but actually, even though I'm already gonna cover this up, but still. Okay, this is how it look on the inside. It smells good though, but I'm gonna cover that up anyway. This ain't part didn't come off until like the last minute. It came out good out the pan. Now I want to show out. I want to try to like. Okay. Might come off again, but hey, it is what it is. Okay, so I want to wait till the. Y'all see that? I know y'all had to see it, cause I saw it. Maybe when I put the caramel on, I need something to like make it a little stick on. But I know at least an hour, then I'll get back to you, Lord's will. Okay, I let that cool for about an hour. Now I'm a little upset because I thought this. I just grabbed it because I thought it was in the spot with the dulce leche caramel sauce, but it's the actual sweet condensed milk. I didn't want the white color. I wanted the brown color because caramel with the sauce. I could have boiled it and for a while and made it that color, but like I said, I didn't know, and I probably wouldn't even did it anyway. I don't have time for all that. So, but I'm gonna take this since I got it. Just pour it around, and I'm just gonna let it also fall. So like to keep cutting off, I was done showing you the tutorial. Okay, excuse me. Yes, this is the next one. I can't get to it yesterday, but yes, it was so good. You know what I'm about to do. Yes, I tell you, it was so good, so buttery, so toasty. I couldn't get to it yesterday. It kept cutting off my storage. I'm gonna just get to it first, then I'll give you everything else. Whew. Okay, I want to get it to the inside of it. I put a lot of the coconut oil, the coconut milk. I'm gonna see if it's just like a lot of coconut. I definitely got that coconut taste, hands down. It's all up and through. I can taste the coconut shred and that oil. It did not take away from me. I smell it with the aroma, but it goes so good. Oh my goodness. And then the cake is so moist. Alright, let me get the outside with the actual shreds, the toasted part to it, but it's on the outside. It's so moist and good. While he's toasting it, so good. I'm trying to see if I got the caramel though. I feel like I got caramel, but it's not overly caramel. Like I taste more of the coconut as opposed to the caramel. The caramel is like on the outside of it. If you kind of like know what happens to the caramel. So I think that's the reason why the flavor of the caramel is not so bold, but you still taste it though. Oh yeah, I forgot to. The thing kept cutting off. The one that was in the pan, I scraped it and I put it to the side because I was going to use that for the cake once it cooled down. As you see, I had got condensed milk. I thought it was the dulce leche, the caramel kind. It wasn't. So I was not about to let it go to waste, and I love sweet condensed milk anyway. So I just poured, not all of it, not the whole can. I just opened the can a little bit, and I just poured a little bit around it, and then that's what I used. Put the toast on there. So I just put the toasted almonds all around. And it kind of like dripped a little bit the sweet condensed milk. That's the toasted coconut on there. And that's first when I scraped with the caramel. Took a rubber spatula, and I like tried to like brush it around a little bit. So I just like did it around the cake. So it got bits and pieces of that caramel a little bit, but majority of that coconut. But it's so good. This is so moist. I think I'm pretty sure I said it in the video. I know I said it on my other channel, my old channel. I don't have the actors no more, but you can still go to my other channel though. When I like eat and I don't have my mouth open up really wide, that's because I really can't, because of the brain aneurysm when I had the surgery. So I'm working on that a little bit by little till I, you know, that's the only reason why my mouth like don't open up so wide, but I still can get the food in there. Now I gotta have some of my Lone Boys to see if I'm getting it. I love this candy. I've been knowing about this candy for a minute. This is like a throwback. See, one of them fell off. It don't matter. Okay, get down. Alright. For those who never had the Lone Boy candy, coconut and caramel, like you taste that, you can tell it's distributed evenly with that taste. The caramel and the coconut, you definitely get that. Now it do get a little bit sticky, like on your teeth and roof of your mouth. This is good. Now do it remind me of the cake? I am getting a Lone Boy candy, but like I said, can use a little bit more caramel. And like I said, it's because I think because it's seeped a little bit. And like I said, I should have, instead of getting that sweet condensed, but I thought if it was the regular dolce that I thought it was, I would just put that on top and it would have been perfect. It's still not perfect though. I'm still getting it though. So moist. If you have not tried this combination, try it. Delicioso. Round 2. I'm bad. I forgot that I got some caramel sauce that I had for a little minute inside the refrigerator. So I said, since it's lacking a little bit of the caramel, it still got it, but you know, I want to just put a little extra on top of a piece of cake. Smart egg. So it definitely got that caramel now. Yeah, it didn't need it, but I wanted it. That's it. You seen all you had to see here. Rate this. To rate this, you already know. 10. 10 out of 10, bro. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel, and make this. You have a blessed day.